So as part of a DevOps, you need to understand what is the continuous integration and continuous deployment, right? So continuous integration and continuous deployment is very much important, right? To minimize the effort, right? To, you can say, efficient build process, and also it will help it to you, right? To resolve unnecessary problems, which is coming for a build test and this entire, you can say, for process into a deployment. Right. So it is basically help it to you for building a foundation for consistent and efficient code deliveries. So CI/CD is basically help it to you for this purpose, right? So there are many such times developer are doing the code which is facing some problem for a build compilation issues. There are a mismatching into a code, or maybe people are just doing overriding into a particular code here, or maybe there are some other challenges, right? So rather than to fix this issue at the end of this complete build cycle, you can have a CI/CD in process, right, with the build automation. I hope you enjoy this session here. If you like it, you can subscribe onto a YouTube. Also, you can follow us on Instagram. And for more details, you can check the link given below into a description. Thank you very much.